Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Audi Q7 battery. First, always prioritize your safety by working in a well-ventilated area. Make sure you have essential safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, before you begin. Gathering your battery charger and any necessary tools beforehand will ensure a smooth and safe process. Remember, working with car batteries requires careful attention to safety protocols for your well-being. Now, let's find your battery. In an Audi Q7, the battery is usually found beneath the front passenger seat. You'll need to slide the seat all the way forward to reveal the access panel. Carefully remove any floor mats or covers to expose the battery compartment. Once the cover is off, you will see the battery and its terminals ready for the next step. Next, it's time to connect your charger. First, securely attach the positive or red charger clamp to the positive battery terminal. Then, connect the negative or black clamp to a good ground point on the vehicle's chassis, away from the battery itself. This helps prevent sparks. Double-check that both connections are firm before proceeding to the next stage. With the charger connected, set it to the correct voltage, typically 12 volts, and the appropriate amperage for your battery. Allow the battery to charge completely, following your specific charger's instructions. Once fully charged, it's time to disconnect. Always remove the negative or black clamp first, followed by the positive or red clamp. Replace all covers and secure the seat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.